Understanding what a defrost cycle does on your heat pump is key to keeping your home warm when it's freezing outside. So, the defrost cycle is like a little helper that kicks in when your heat pump's outdoor coil gets covered in frost or ice. When that happens, the heat pump can't work properly, and your heating bills might go up. The defrost cycle switches your system into a mode where it basically melts that frost off so your heat pump can keep doing its job. Most of the time, this happens automatically without you even noticing. But if your heat pump is stuck in defrost mode for too long, it could mean there's a problem. To help your system work better, make sure the outdoor unit is clear of leaves and debris because blocked airflow can cause more frost buildup. Also, keep an eye on your filter and replace it when needed, since dirty filters can make your heat pump work harder and freeze up more often. If you want to avoid big repair bills, get a pro to check your system yearly to catch issues early. And remember, don't try to chip away the ice yourself since that can damage the coils. One of the biggest mistakes people make with heat pump defrost cycles is ignoring when the system runs too long in defrost mode, which wastes energy and might mean thermostat or sensor problems. Fixing this usually means getting those parts replaced or recalibrated. Another common issue is letting debris pile up around the outdoor coil, which blocks airflow and causes excessive frost. Just cleaning around the unit regularly solves that. Last, not scheduling regular maintenance can lead to unnoticed problems, like refrigerant leaks or dirty coils that affect defrost efficiency. Having a technician inspect and tune up your unit every year helps prevent these headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without the hassle, ensuring you get quality work done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need their skills, making it easier to grow their business quickly and reliably.